Let's summarize the role of Living RCM. Living RCM inserts a missing yet vital block in the conventional maintenance process. Here is the textbook maintenance process, which we can describe as identify, plan, schedule, and execute maintenance work. Inevitably, there will be unscheduled failure events requiring immediate attention. While all this is happening, the maintenance engineer attempts to analyze and improve reliability by monitoring condition data from the physical plant. However, there is a missing block in most organizations without which there can be no analyzable age data for correlation with the CBM data. The missing element is Living RCM that ensures both analyzable grade age data from the work order and continuous RCM knowledge growth.